Hola guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are using my palette of the month, which you guys helped me pick on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you totally should, at Glock. But anyways, I am using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, so we're just going to start off with the base. As you can see, I already have some foundation and concealer on, and I'm just jumping into my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, which is so good. And then I'm going for kind of a warmer peachy vibe with this blush going on. So I'm using Precious Peach by L'Oreal, and it's such a good blush. If you're looking for a good drugstore blush, I really recommend these. They're just really easy to blend out, and they come in so many different colors and shades, and I think there's a color you'll find for literally every skin tone. Next is this Milani highlighter, which I have just been using nonstop lately. It's such a good drugstore highlighter, and honestly just a really great highlighter in general. The more you blend it into your skin, the better it looks. So I'm basically just gonna bathe my whole face in this real quick. And now it is time for the main event. I am using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. I'm just going to start off with my base, so I'm just putting that nude color in the middle and just putting that all over the eye to kind of set the concealer, and again just create a base for the rest of the eyeshadow. Next I am dipping into this yellowy orange color, and the best way I can describe this color is like a mac and cheese, like yellowy orange. It kind of looks like artificial color. I do like it. I just think it's a really interesting color. With the brush, it just wasn't packing on as much punch as I was hoping. I really wanted a more pigmented yellow lid, so I am using a brush at first, but then I just grew impatient and I used my finger and I packed it on more with my finger, and it worked a lot better. Next, I'm using this kind of goldish shade, and I'm just packing that on all over the yellow as well. I just kind of wanted to brighten it up, so it kind of has like a goldish yellow shift to the whole eyelid. I think it's really pretty. This shimmer shade is definitely one of the more pigmented shimmers in the palette. There's a couple other ones that don't wow me, I guess I should say, but this gold one and then the like rosy orangey one is really good. They don't really have names on them, so I can't really point them out, but this one and the pinky one are really good shimmer shades in this palette. Then I am going to do a little faux liner action with the dark brown. I remember in the last video that I used this palette with, I actually really didn't like the dark brown. But now that I use it as a faux liner this month, I actually really do like the brown. It stays put and it stays pigmented for a really long time. So I totally changed my opinion. I actually do like that brown now. But yeah, so I'm just using a faux liner technique with just an angled brush and doing a little mini cat eye situation. Now I'm taking a smaller tapered brush and I'm going to dip into the orangey brighter shade. I wanted it to be kind of like a color block situation where the top is more like mustardy orange and the bottom is more of a bright orange. I feel like this is definitely like a fall look, but I still like it. I'm going back to my Milani highlighter, and I'm just using my pinky finger and packing that in the inner corner. I really love this highlighter for packing in the inner corner. It just really brightens up the eye. You can do a little bit or you can do a lot. Here I'm obviously doing a lot, but it really just brightens up the whole eye area. I wanted a little extra oomph in the middle of the eyes, so I just added the Milani highlighter again and just placed that literally directly in the middle of the eyelid. And it kind of just gives more of a reflective look more than anything else. Nothing new here, just dipping into my favorite mascara, Lancome Monsieur Big. Again, I love that it separates my lashes, makes them look a lot more voluminous and a lot longer. It's just my fave, guys. I can't help it. Surprisingly, I found this eye look kind of difficult to find a lip that I liked with it. I tried this NYX Cosmetics Stockholm shade first, and I wasn't feeling it. So I wiped it all off. I put the NYX lip liner in London on, and then I used the Glossier Generation G lipstick in Leo, and I just felt like, yes, it's still a very fall look, but I just felt like it went together more. Alrighty guys, that is the finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Toodaloo!